Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. We don't have power, so I'm going to do an interesting get ready with me with a lantern. If it's too annoying to watch, I get it, but I just thought it would be interesting to see how this turns out. Maybe I should move my light source. Oh, sorry about that. What about here? It's all trial and error right now. That's all right. That's better. Less shadowy. So our power's been out for about 30 hours and there's no end in sight. In Kentucky, we had 177,000 people go without power. They're working night and day. There's 1,100 power lines down. There was a hellacious storm that came through and winds of 72 miles per hour. Down trees everywhere, like not just like little trees, but like big hardy trees. Knocked down in the prime of their life, blocking roads, kicking ass, taking names. It's wild up in here. It's actually cold up in here. It's in the 40s right now. And we just came back from a friend of mine's house. Her name is Terry, and she is awesome. And I hung out with her the majority of the day and evening. And then Rome came over and he made dinner. So we had dinner together and it was very nice. And then now we've been home for a little bit and a friend of ours is having a birthday party at a bar called Seidenfaden's. I know, that's a mouthful. It's a big mouthful. And back when, I used to go there back when I used to party. And when you used to be able to text people and you'd have to press a number 3 times to get the J or 2 times to get the B and 3 times to get the C. It was really hard to text. I'm at Seidenfaden's. It was really hard. So that's where we're going tonight. So that was my Charlotte Tilbury Creamy Eye Concealer, and this is the House Labs foundation, which is really good. I kind of been using this exclusively for a while. The combination of the Charlotte Tilbury and the House Labs has been working for me overtime. I did get a shower in yesterday before the power went out. We still have we have a gas, we have a gas water heater, so we still have hot water. And we have a gas stove, so we can still cook food, some food. We do not have a gas refrigerator, sad to say. But we gave a bunch of our produce to our friend Terry, who has guinea pigs, and they love to eat fresh lettuces and fruits and carrots and cucumbers and stuff like that. So they're set for a while. So that didn't have to go to waste. And we've got a cooler full of meat. I got a cooler full of meat. It's pretty crazy. So we're just living like we're in the early 1900s or some shit. They even had gas lighting then before they had full electric everywhere. We don't have gas lighting, but we've got some amazing lanterns that Rome got at Costco. Not only do they have free light settings, they have a flashing red light setting. You can charge them by solar power. They also run on D batteries, and you can charge your phone, which is pretty cool. So they don't work on his Android phone, but it works on my Apple phone. And that's what I'm recording on. I record on an Apple 13. Nothing fancier than just the 13. And this is very exciting. I'm going to do a pretty simple look because the power's out and we're just I've got a history with the owner of the bar. Like back when I used to party, he didn't treat me too well. But it's a really sweet person's birthday, and they will be crushed if nobody shows up. And so we want to show up to support our friend for their birthday. And I think some people will show up. And it's karaoke, and everybody loves karaoke. We love karaoke. We do karaoke at least once a month. And we love it. These eyebrows are going to be challenging because there's shadows where my hand goes. That looks pretty good. It's not very dark, but it's all right. And that's a Delilah eyebrow pencil. And I've been using that forever. It's going to die one day. I'm not going to be able to replace it. And this is a Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I love the bronzer in it. So, we sleep with some blankets anyway. You know, it's not too cold in here. We're not seeing breath or anything. So it's all right. It's not too bad. We're troopers, but until we went to Terry's house, we've been trying to charge our phones in our cars, and that just doesn't charge very fast as far as my phone goes. So that's been a little crazy. I have no idea what I'm really going to look like because of this great... I'm very grateful for the lighting, but what I really look like, I don't know. Just a little bit of Just a Girl palette from Trixie Mattel. That's always a classic. Blush. I use the middle color. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm too lazy to go back. But let's do something light, something fruity, something up your little booty. Should I do Aurora Struck? It's really pretty. Or should I go neutrals? I think I'm going to go neutrals with Lunar Beauty's Nude Prism, which I love. I can't screw this up. I can't screw up a look with this palette. It's just not possible. I've been using it a lot. And it's really great. I accidentally just put the most amount of color in the middle of my eye there. I did not mean to do that. I meant to start at the edge and work in. So, that doesn't look bad. Let's get some more colors on here. I'm going to do a little bit of it. I did this color to start, which is called Vibes. Now I'm going to go into Sakura and go on the outside corner. And go into the crease. That seems to look pretty good. Sakura. Brush that in. Brush it down, brush it in. That looks pretty good. I'm going to get a little dip of a darker color down here. I'm going to go into Bloom for You. Bloom for You. I'm doing this so blindly. Oh, that's a mess. That's much better. I'm going to go into So Key or So Hey or something. It's the lightest shimmer available. Put it across my lid. It's nice and sparkly. Everything else that I use is a matte. That's that. Let's do some liner. And this is House Lab's old formula of liquid eyeliner. This is tricky. You might be able to hear my landlord walking around upstairs. Putting on eyeliner makes me a mouth breather. And that's the cat scratching in their box. Sorry if that's too graphic for you. I have no control over these animals. I'm going to use this Blink Extra Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. It's really good. Seems a little clumpy today. This is a challenge. It's so hard to see my lashes at this angle without hardly any light. Yay, mascara. And then a lip. I'm going to do a rock and roll lip. I'm going to use number 50. I think it's Voyager. I use this all the time. Oh, it's such a mess. Let me grab a Kleenex because this mouth is a hot mess. It's not a Kleenex, it's a Q-tip. I'm just making a mess. Oh, Lord. More Q-tips. This is as good as it's getting. Well, I want to thank you guys for being with me here in the dark. If you made it all the way through, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and hopefully the power will be back soon. Thank you. Bye.